Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Vechain update. And what's going on with Vechain? That's the question that we want to see answered. Now there was a technical target that I gave you previously in the videos of the 0.3940, and we've already met that target. Now this candlestick that you saw, it was a dragonfly. Okay, so that you saw a dragonfly right there, and then you had one green candle and another green candle. The question comes in that what is going to happen today? One thing is very clear: you're being rejected here at the trend line, and you're not breaking this trend line, okay? And there is a little bit of shadiness into the market, so at this point of time there is nothing clear about Vechain. And yesterday I did roll out an update that there could be a relief rally to the upside. That one has already been done. Now my take about Vechain is that you gotta wait a little bit for confirming the monthly time frame with Bitcoin as well, and not only just VeChain, because VeChain on itself at this point of time is meaningless. You cannot trade VeChain without trading Bitcoin. So we did have three black crows, and right there, this one has played out to the T. So what is the issue? What is the issue? I'm still looking for the Elliott wave theory not to be invalidated. If the Elliott wave theory gets invalidated, it's gonna be very, very bad for VeChain, and then we're gonna potentially enter the bear market scenario. Okay, so you don't want to lose the fourth wave of the Elliott wave theory, which I'm gonna redraw once again. Okay, so this was the plan. The first wave, second wave, this was the third wave. Now you're looking for the fourth wave bottom. Is it going to be at the 34, 39? But we don't want to go below 21. You don't want to go below 21 ever. If you start to go below the 21, then you're really looking to dump for the bear market. Simple. And that actually has to be, it has to do something with Bitcoin as well. So let's say your fourth wave is somewhere down there, and then you go for that fifth wave towards the upside. But the thing is, we're looking for the fourth wave, okay? And that's not final in order for us to go for the fifth wave. So there's a lot of suspense, there's a lot of drama. On the daily, I'm going to tell you that you're still being rejected at a particular there is an EMA that is actually not being crossed right now. If my internet does behave, yeah, I'm actually trying to turn on this EMA if it does me the favor. Okay, so we do have the 20 EMA, but you're being rejected at the 10. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the 10 EMA. Guys, why is my internet so slow, man? Can I borrow yours? Moving exponential average, the EMA. Yeah, this is the 10. So you can already see that the 10 is not letting the prices to push itself to the horizon, and we already have been rejected right there, and you're being rejected at the trend line. So you don't buy at the resistance. Here's a rule, okay? Don't buy at the resistance, but you can buy at the support. Okay, so this was the support that I gave you. You can make buyings here, but you don't buy the greens and you don't buy the resistance. It's a very simple formula. Remember this one always. Always remember. Always ask yourself, when people buy, why are they buying at the resistance? It makes way more sense to buy at the support and not the resistance level of things. And that's it for the update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.